Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a sunny glow coloring for your videos in Capcut. So first, you just need to import the clips that you want to edit, and then go to the overlay and add this image right here as an overlay. Click on add, fit the size, and then also the length. Then go to blend and select overlay. Okay, adjust if you want. I'm going to go with 80. Click on the check icon and then go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the contrast, lower it to -30, and then the saturations 24. Increase the sharpness into 100, then highlight 20. Lastly, lower the shadow to -20. Now you are done. Click on the check icon and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.